The pear-cut diamond, also known as the teardrop shape, is a stunning blend of the round, brilliant, and marquise cuts. This unique shape features a rounded end that tapers to a point, resembling a teardrop, which gives it an elegant, graceful appearance. The pear cut is known for its brilliance, with many facets that reflect light beautifully, creating an eye-catching sparkle. What makes the pear cut unique is its flattering, elongated shape that creates the illusion of length, making it ideal for those who want a diamond that looks larger and more elegant on the finger. The rounded side enhances its soft, romantic appearance, while the pointed end offers a sharp, modern edge. Its versatility allows it to be set in various styles, from classic solitaires to more intricate, vintage-inspired designs. The pear-cut diamond is a great choice for engagement rings, necklaces, and earrings. Its distinctive shape and brilliant sparkle make it a beautiful and unique option for anyone looking for a diamond that combines elegance with a touch of modern flair. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export-import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.